Hello, it's Padlock, and are all centennial celebrations created equal? A while back we looked at the ABUS 100 year anniversary lock, a real tribute to their legacy. Then this popped up on my Amazon suggestions, Masterlock's 100 year padlock. Is this going to be a commemorative classic or a forgettable flop? Let's find out. Okay, so I've removed it from its packaging, and what do you get? Well, you get packaging with a golden colour on it instead of the usual yellow and orange I think it normally is. You get a cheap keyring that looks like it'll probably fall to pieces and make you lose your own keys. If not, it'll just advertise to everybody that use Masterlock, and you can probably break into their shed and take the lawnmower. And you get a laminated padlock with some plastic on it. Great. And it's also got a ridiculously difficult dust cap to remove that my mum couldn't even open when I tested it on an old person. But let's see if the lock works. Yes, it does. But let's see what it takes to pick this lock open. And for that we'll use we'll lock it up. We'll use bottom of the keyway tension and a short hook. See what security they're offering us for their birthday celebrations. Not much security. That was laughably easy to open. And if we remove the core, we can see another Masterlock shortcoming. Let's look at the core, get the key. Now, you'll see here that there are 6 pin chambers, but only 4 have been populated. So they could have put another couple of pins in there, but they didn't. And also they've crimped this just there. They've crimped it so you can't remove it. Sometimes they put a circlip on so you can take the core out and repin it yourself, but you can't do it with this. So there you have it, Masterlock's 100 year anniversary padlock. Poorly manufactured, laughably easy to open, and as for this keyring, let's just say it won't be making up for the lock's shortcomings. If this is how they're celebrating a century in business, maybe they should have stopped at 99. Thank you for watching, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.